Yes, sir. This is a smelt. Oh, he's squirming. Hello? Hello? Oh, there it is. Here we go. It's been too long. There we go. Yeah, we on the water, son. All right. That's what's up. I made it. All right, let's get this in the water. Lock it in. The sun's starting to beat, man. I'd rather that than be cold, though. Hey, it was good. It's your boy Prince. You're watching Cook It Up. We out here, and it's beautiful. It's been a while since I've been out here. If you're new to the channel, it's called Cook It Up. We make beats, we make food, we make videos. Stay tuned. Today we're gonna be crabbing out in Half Moon Bay, trying to get us a limit of dungies. If you see some crab, then we're gonna cook it up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make today. I know I'm gonna save some of it if I do catch some. I'm on a hunt for the 40. I've never caught a 40-inch fish in the Bay Area. I've never caught one in California, let's call it like that. I've caught 40-inch pike in Canada. Check that out, y'all. Woo! Check out those videos. I've never caught a 40-inch ling. The closest I got, I think, was 36. A yardstick. So we'll see if we can make it happen today. But the main goal today is gonna be Dungeness. So we got a couple pots with us. We're gonna drop them. After we drop them, we'll head over to the fishing grounds. We'll see if we can catch a fish. Let's cook it up. All right, we're getting ready to drop the first trap. Here we are. Check out the homemade buoy right here. We're gonna let this go first. See how organized I was on the last trip. It pays to be organized. Okay. Tangled. It isn't. Did a good job. Or not. Pedal to make sure it's scoped out. Let me show y'all what we're working with. Some herring and some squid in here. Oh, there goes one. Let's fix that real quick. Here we got some hang bait. Make sure your bait is centered, it doesn't fly up. I'm gonna drop straight down. There she goes. Mark my spot. So now we're gonna soak for 30 minutes to an hour at least. Let's check it out, come back. Here comes the next one. Hold this line up. It's been a while, it's been a while. It's good to be out here. I was on a Japan trip. I missed opening weekend. Back in November. So now we out here. There it goes. There we go. We crabbing, baby. We crabbing. All right, we're gonna go try to get some bait and then come back for these crab traps in about maybe 30 minutes. Try 30 minutes the first time, and then if we need a longer soak, we'll go from there. There's so many, come back. Oh my God, there's so many. How many we got on this stringer? There's gotta be a couple smelt on here. Hey, look at this, we got two. We got two, y'all. Dude, smelt galore. It was literally, the instant I dropped it down, I didn't even see marks.
Yeah.
And they showed up.
When I was over there, I just put it in the water and there's a fish on.
Immediately, dude. The visibility is really good.
Yeah.
You just get on the top of the head?
Huh?
Top of the head?
Yeah.
I put a trap rig on.
You put a trap rig.
But I don't know, I gotta find the reef though. There we go. Smelt are pretty hardy. Something's tapping my bait. Question is, what is it? Big bait. Oh, not anymore. Alright, y'all. Coming up on our first buoy. Oh shit. There we go. Pulling up. Make sure nothing's falling out too. Oh man, my bait's gonna get in the way. Stuck and wait. Oh, big wave coming. Oh man, they came and went. Something was munching on it. Either that or I dropped them all just now. Nothing on that first pull. Definitely evidence of crab, but nothing in that first bucket. Let's see what we get on the second one. Pull number 2.
How'd you do over there, Prince?
Nothing on the first one, but they were eating it. Hold on. What we got here? What the heck? Untouched. Yo, the second one was untouched.
I think they're deeper.
Alright, we're gonna have to move these.
The second one was untouched as well.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get this wrapped up and then we're gonna drop in another spot. Going up on the next one. Oh! Let's see. Third pull of the day. If there's nothing in here, we're switching spots. And there's nothing. Nothing. Alright. We got to move. We got to move. Alright, so Chris is limited out. And I get to use his traps. So let's see if we got anything in here. This one's got weight. Chris said this one's been hitting every time. Hey Meta, start recording. Oh man, I lied. Nothing. Nothing at all. Well, alright. Let's drop it back in. We got another smelt, yo. This one's taking a little drag. We're letting the bait soak and just catching bait. What do we got here? Anchovies? A school of smelts. Oh my goodness, they're big. There's some big smelts out here. Yeah, check that out. Hell yeah, baby. All right, more for the bait bucket. Those are big boys. You can probably eat that one. Chill, chill, chill. Oh, there he goes. Got off on his own. Okay. Oh, there you go. Got off on his own. All right, we got bait. We got more bait. Now we can use this for crab bait. We can use this for halibut bait. We could use this for lingcod bait. They call it lingcod candy. I prefer croaker, but I do like me some smelt for bait too. So let me look at what they've done with my sabiki. Oh my god. Alright, we'll get this fixed and I'll show you what the smelt looked like. Give me 1 second. Alright, check it out, folks. This is a smelt. Oh, he's squirming. This is a California smelt. And that's all we've been catching today. A lot of them. They're everywhere. We'll hit up Ling City hopefully, and maybe we'll catch a ling, but I have not been successful on crabbing right now. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but we got plenty of bait now. Here we go, y'all. Hey, Meta, start recording. Come on, give me some. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think we got one, son. Yes, sir. I think we have a graceful one too. I think that's what they're called. Let's see if oh, sorry y'all. Let's see if he's a keeper though. First one of the day, dude. For real. Hell yeah. No skunk. Let's see. You take him by here. And he's a short. He's short. Short by like half an inch. Send him down with the snack. Here, take that. I know you want that. Come on, take it. Take it. Oh, the other crab fell out. There you go. See? He does want it. See ya, bud. He dropped it. No. Alright, well, they are here, so let's drop it back down there. These are called precious crab or graceful crab, I forget. If you know, let me know in the comments. They're a type of rock crab, but they look like mini Dungeness, and they got this purple tint to it on the legs. Yes, sir. All right, here comes the next one. Oh, this one's heavy. This one might be the one. Come on. Hey, Meta. Start recording. Here we go. This one's got some weight. This one might be it. The haul of the day. And untouched. This whole thing. Why was it so heavy? Either that or fell off, but I highly doubt it. Okay, here we go. Couple.
Hey, yo, Prince, you still out here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can't see you.
I just pulled up one. Might have a keeper in here.
Yeah.
California crab. Finally! This one's a little crusty. I'm pretty sure both of these are keepers. We're gonna measure them in a second. Yes, sir. Hello? Hello? No. He touched it. Oh, no. He's short by 1 millimeter. Are you kidding me? Short by 1 millimeter. This one might be a keeps. This one might be our first keeper. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. He fits. He hits the mark. You see that? He won't fit in the hole. Scraper. Barely. But he is a keeper, son. We got our first keeper of the day after probably 6 or 7 pulls. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. One's better than none.
We should probably head in.
Yeah, we should. It's gonna get dark.
You want to pull that one?
I just pulled this one.
Pull that one?
Yeah. Come on, come on. Let's see. This one feels heavy. I say that every time, huh? Oh, but this one really does. Oh yeah, we got some. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Woo! At least two, I think. Let's measure these. He's heavy. It's probably a. Oh snap! Oh snap! Do not bite me. This guy will damage you. Oh yes, that's a gauge buster. Yo, we got a gauge buster.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Yo, another gauge buster.
Oh yeah. No doubt.
Almost a gauge buster. Almost. The other one was a true gauge buster. This one's just there. Yes, sir. And he's short. That's short. This guy's definitely a short. Come on. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Another big haul. Oh my God! Yo, there's a ginormous rock crab. Holy crap! Holy crap! This last soak has been great. This guy's gonna do some damage if he touches you. Look at this. Holy dude, the biggest one ever. No, but this one though, this one's easily a gauge buster.
Fatty.
Look at the claw. It's missing one, but bro, that claw, dude.
He's a gauge buster for a rock crab. They only need to be 4 inches.
Oh my God.
No. Oh, you're just short.
Just short. You guys can't swallow that.
Yeah.
See ya. Yes, sir. Thank you. Your traps have been, dude, producing.
See.
I don't know why mine didn't do anything. Oh my God, these poles have been awesome. It's heavy. We got a few, I think. Oh, we got some shorties. We got some shorts. All good though. All good though. Hey, we didn't get to go to Ling City, but I was feeling a little desperate. And hey man, it turned out okay. The day turned out okay. California Dungeness crab. We got right here California rock crab. Look at this big old claw. Look at that claw. Oh, these Popeye right here, dude. Popeye claws. There's definitely a lot of meat in this. We're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna do the big Dungeness crab with the big rock crab and see which one tastes better. We're gonna be making crab Benedict today. Now we're putting the first crab in, the rock crab. Got them in the steamer now. The Dungeness in the other steamer. There we are. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for your life and putting food on the table. Now, be about 12 minutes and we'll come back and check on them. Now, let's see if they're ready. Oh yeah, look at that bright red. Dungy. Come on, focus. There you go. There's a crusty old crab right there. the yield differential. This is the crab meat and its body. And it's obviously the leg. The leg is almost the same amount as meat as the body. This is the Dungeness. It's probably 3 times as much meat from the Dungeness. And the majority of the meat came from the claw and the knuckle, the 2 knuckles from the Dungeness, or the rock. This is the rock crab. So there's your comparison. 2 similarly sized rock and Dungeness crabs. The yield, about 3x. That's not gonna be true for a small crab though. The small crab on a rock crab, you're probably just gonna get this. This avocado is kinda hard. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Drop it right there. There you have it. Doesn't that look pretty? Even though it's a little aggressive. I'm gonna go for another 30 seconds. Put it in cold water. Alright, I'm gonna do this the best I can, but we got the double boiler going right here. I'm gonna start with the eggs. The egg right in. If it gets too hot, you can lift it out. Egg right in. 3 egg yolks here. I'm just gonna continuously whisk. And then we're gonna add the lemon juice. Start with a tablespoon first. Let that go. It's hard to see, but just egg and lemon juice right now. All right, now we add the melted butter. Oop, I started plating, but hey, the first one going down, this is the rock crab. The second one going down is gonna be our Dungeness. And we've got a lot of lump meat, so maybe we'll go lump. You can tell the difference already, huh? Lump, lump. We got big, thick chunks on the Dungeness. Wow. The rock crab's a little, it looks like the lump meat you get out of a can. We're going to stick our poached egg right on top. Another poached egg right on top. Top of this. Just like that. Hey man, I'm gonna be honest, these are just from Safeway because one less thing for me to do. I wanted potatoes, but wanted them quick, so I got some seasoned wedges that I just air fried. Nothing too fancy. a little spread of the avo, you know. All right, that's what I call a meal, son. You already know that's gonna be delicious. Look at that. We got 2 plates of the beautiful. What y'all think? I'm gonna feast. It's been an ordeal. You know how it is. We're gonna eat. This is gonna be amazing. Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna do the taste test. Let's break into the first one. This first one is rock crab Benedict. So we're gonna do the obligatory egg yolk drop. Oh, there it is. Yes, sir. Okay. So the first one we're gonna do. Should we do just the rock crab first? Let's do just the rock crab first. There's a little bit of sauce on it, but just the rock crab. Just the rock crab. It's got that rock crab taste, like the briny. It's briny, but there's that extra. I don't know how to explain it compared to every time I've had rock crab, it's had that taste. So it's like the oceany flavor. It's stronger. It's a stronger oceany flavor. Okay, we're gonna do a bite with the bread, the sauce, some egg, everything. Full bite. Big bite. That was the rock crab. This is the Dungeness. Oh, look at that egg yolk. Oh, yes, baby. Crab meat first. Look at this little chunk meat right there. Oh. What do you think? Yeah, dude. The Dungeness has a different level of sweetness. And it's not as oceany. The rock, dude. Dungeness is, dude. I think if you could have more rock crab and have it yield just as much, I think rock crab would win. But because same amount of work, less yield, it's still worth it if you get a big one. But Dungeness meat, you saw the yield, right? The 3x, there was 3x amount of. So I think for the work, but for the taste, I don't know, it's pretty close. The rock crab has, or the Dungeness crab has more texture. All right, so to end the video, I don't know if there's like a clear-cut winner, but Dungeness, I would say, if you want like that quantity and that texture and that classic crab taste, if you're a hardcore seafood fan, I think taste-wise, the rock crab has that more seafoody flavor. It goes well with the hollandaise. I think if you could like hook up a rock crab, like make it fat, it would be good for a crab Benedict. And I feel like, I don't know, it's mushier in the sense that like it's like the lump meat you get in a can, but fresh. So it's still hard to beat when it's this fresh. But I'm gonna have to say Dungy. I'm leaning towards the Dungy right now, but if you ask me on another day, I might pick the rock crab. So yeah, that's all I got for now. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. See y'all in the next one.